How's it going? Good, good. Is this your shop? No. Ah, that was just nice bikes. Nice, nice. Are these yours for sale? That's awesome. I was just looking at these yesterday. That KTM is real nice. I like that thing over there. I wish I could. All my money's tied up in this thing right now. It's not that this is very expensive at all. It's a little 300 Chinese bike, CFMoto. It's one of the. It's like $5,000, brand new. So, but made it up the little butte there. Oh yeah. They put a lot into them for what it is. You know, you get the little like TFT display and all that stuff. ABS. It's a good beginner bike kind of thing. But it's already got me wanting something bigger. So. Yeah, I'm sure I would get on that thing and I'd be tired of the equipment. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the GS. Dude, that thing's nice. Back like 4 times, including once in December and once in January. Okay. All the way from here. That's awesome. 500 and something miles. Jeez. Found a perfect day and I checked every town. Yeah. One little section I knew I was going to get wet and not snowed on. Yeah. And I had to do it. That's wild. Dude, what an awesome journey. That's crazy. That's sweet. Yeah. Seriously considered just keeping this one, but I got I just need something slightly smaller because I have this really cool rack that just hooks onto the hitch of my RV. Yeah. I don't want to pull a trailer. I don't want to do any of those. And if I had something just a little smaller, I would, because if I was taking that thing, I would be worrying constantly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I feel you. The weight limit load. Yeah. Okay. And I don't know if I trust the ramp. I guess I could do it absolutely perfect. It's completely insured, and that ramp is from Harbor Freight. Yeah, okay. And I'm under the weight, so I could literally sue them if something went wrong. Right, yeah, you've got recourse. Yeah, I feel you. Yeah, 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 and then the shock of if you go back there and it's not there. Yeah. Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. We've got a travel trailer, so like we tow behind as well, and that I was thinking about that as an option, like the rack on the back, because it'd be real easy to just drive it right on and off, right? Oh, yeah. But I've been putting this in the back of the truck bed, so I do like the 2 ramp thing, kind of push it up and all that stuff. But it's like 300 pounds, so it's, you know, it's not putting us over any limits. Are you here on your bike, or where are you from? We're over at the RV park over there. We're in one of the travel trailers, but we're Pennsylvania originally, so we've just been tripping around for like 2 months now. Got another like 8-9 months on the road. You pull your trailer behind your truck? Yeah. In the back? Yeah. Yeah, we got one of those, even like a bed rack. So like this goes up and then we have a little bit of cargo above it. It's like we're like putting it to the gills. It's great. It's a fun little bike for sure. It's nice and light. It's a CFMoto 300nk is what it's called. Just supposed to be like less fared version of their, you know, their sport bikes. But I was just out down that way. There's like that offshoot road and it goes through all the little buttes there. That was awesome. I thought I was going to get stuck for sure, but this thing powered through. Factory Butte, you mean? Not quite Factory Butte. It's like on the way to Goblin. Okay. There's a little turn-off road, and then there's like one of the gratings. There's a split, and if you go to the right, it takes you kind of through the buttes back there. There's little like campfires and stuff. It was gorgeous. It was so cool. And there's like a spot where it's not crazy steep. Like I thought I was going to dump this going up there, but there's like a little jump up onto like a little butte top there. It was really sweet. Yeah, I took that KTM at the Factory Butte and I ended up in one of those. Have you been up those? Where it's like a little bit. Yeah. We went. Well, I get up there. There's no stopping once I start. Yeah. Like, what am I going to do? I'm doing fine. And I get right to like near the end where I was like, I can't go that way anymore, and all it was I go straight up. Yeah. Just like, wham! I get to the top, and then sure enough, I tipped it over. But thank God, that's all I did. That's good. That's good. I had to drag the wheels. I had to rotate the bike, put the wheels downhill. Yeah. And I still pulled my hamstring getting that thing off. Dude, those things are tough. How heavy is it? Over 500 pounds. Oh shit! Yeah. And, dude. It was a lot for me, and that's when I was like, I'm 51. I don't think that's like for me. Yeah. For someone over, so I'm at right at 6 foot, and I have to tip toe. So it's really meant for someone over 6 foot, really. Gotcha. Tall people and people who absolutely need a lot of clearance. This might not be the bike for you, buddy. Yeah. Nice. What are you asking for the KTM?
At this point, I'd take 8,500 for it.
Gotcha. Well, I got cameras running right now, so I'll post this up on YouTube. I'll see if anyone's looking for it.
That would be low retail on that, and this low retail is like 12.
Yeah.
This one has 18,000 miles on it. That one has 14,000 on it.
Yeah.
That has all the side bags. This thing, right here in Hanksville, somebody knew that they were here, they'd take the train here or bus here, and they'd buy these and they'd hit the road.
Yeah, exactly. Like the jumping off point. That's perfect.
I thought about just renting them from here, but I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's a lot of wear and tear, and I think there's like insurance stuff that you have to do with like rental. I do camera equipment, so if yeah, I feel you. Gotcha, okay. Yeah. Well, nice. That was really nice meeting you, man. Thanks for chatting with me about your bikes. Absolutely. 100%, man. Yeah, I'll let people know. Hanksville. Gotcha. For sailor trade, truck, or small crossover SUV. Cool. What was your name again? Nice. I'm Jolly Moto is what I go on online. So yeah. On Instagram, yes. So like that's where this stuff will go up first. There's like 10K on there. YouTube, I'm just getting started. So yeah. It's great meeting you, man.
I would look it up right now, but my battery's dead.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah. Here it's. Yeah. Do you have Instagram?
I don't use it very much. It's BrentBell72.
Here, if you type it in, I'll follow you.
Yeah.
And then
Just look me up. BrentBell72.
Here, I'll hand the phone to you. Get on my messages here. There you go. Yeah, sweet. I'll put a post up on Instagram today and see if anyone's looking for stuff. Absolutely. Yeah. Perfect. Sweet. Thank you. And follow.
I really appreciate that.
All right.
Share yours, and then you never know.
Cool.
What it's going to take is going to find those like guys my age, you know, they're just having a midlife crisis, and they just need to do something crazy. And
Yeah.
They need to get on the M-Tech train and get out here, and I'll go get them and buy them and go.
Yeah.
Buddies.
Yeah, for sure.
Two buddies that want to check out two different cool bikes.
Hey, I'm only in my 30s, but I call this my midlife crisis bike, so I feel you, man. We'll just see how long I make it. That's the... Yeah. Nice.
I had another one like this.
Dude, this is a great fleet that you got here. I bet this thing's a ton of fun, too.
Yeah, this is the fleet that works over the gas station itself, man. So, yeah, these people are being kind to let us park here.
That's super cool. That's super cool. Yeah. Yeah, it's cool seeing the fleet hanging out here.
Have you seen Moonscape Overlook?
Moonscape, we're going there, I think 2 days.
Yeah, check that out.
Yeah, I think...
It's cool that you're spending your time here in Hanksville.
What's that?
It's really cool that you're spending your time in Hanksville. You don't want to move too much. They want to go to this. Like,
Yeah.
it's good to just see what's around you, you know?
We've been here for like 3 or 4 days, and I think we head out tomorrow, and like that feels fast, you know? I looked at the map, and I'm like, there's so many spots around here, but we're only going like, I think it's like an hour and a half, 2 hours away. We go to like the next town, and then we're stopping there and looking at a bunch of things. Yeah. So we're lucky enough to be able to work remote. My girlfriend does like graphic design and web design stuff, and I do like photo video, so it's like we can kind of pick up work wherever, and she's got this steady income. It's good.
Burning Man right now.
Oh yeah, that's right. Where does Burning Man take place? Is that Nevada?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Up by Reno.
Oh, that'd be sweet.
What I'm headed to do.
That'd be wild.
Still part of my, not midlife crisis, I'm over that part. my ascent.
Nah, you're just coming up on midlife, man. You got a long time to go yet.
From here on forward, this is nothing but...
Yeah, there you go. I like that. I like that. Hey man, you have a good day, eh? Yeah, sure. Ride safe out there.